All right, welcome everybody. So Replit just released Replit Agent, which actually doubles as cursor and can not only create your apps, but also deploy it and add all the dependencies required using the power of AI. So we're going to give it a test run today. And what we're going to do is essentially build a landing page using the copy or the landing page of Brilliant as inspiration. I really like the appeal of this one. So what we're going to essentially do is just take a screenshot of the Brilliantly landing page, and we're going to copy that over to our Replit here. And now I'm going to use voice dictation to basically tell it what I want to create. So let's give it a shot. Create a checkout landing page using the screenshot I gave you for inspiration. Use the same colors, make it very attractive and appealing, but change the name of the company to Kruger LLC. Also, include a trial clause there of a 14-day trial period, whereas on day 1, you receive access to all the features and benefits. Day 12, you will receive an email reminder to cancel should you want to, and day 14, your subscription will begin, but you can cancel it anytime. Make it very super functional because we're going to deploy it on Replit, install all the dependencies, and make it the best one you've ever made. Work step by step. Alright, perfect. So now my words were transcribed here. We're going to click Start Building. Just note that Replit Agent is still in early access and this is a beta product, so there may be some errors and unexpected behavior, but let's see how it goes. Okay, here it opens up a chat interface and you can see it's thinking. It has my prompt here. It also has the reference image. All right, let's see what's going on here. It's kind of like an agent environment. It's very agentic. I like it. Let me propose what we'll build for you, okay? Created a plan for checkout landing page using Flask and vanilla JavaScript inspired by the screenshot. Okay, the page will feature the same color scheme, layout, and functionality, but with Kruger LLC as a company name. Okay, perfect. Yeah, would you like any of these additional features? Implement actual payment processing with Stripe. Yes. Add user authentication and account management? Sure, why not? Create a dashboard for users to manage their subscriptions? Sure, why not? And implement email notifications for trial reminders and subscription updates. Why not? Let's throw Replit Agent right in the deep end and add all the possible functionalities here. Approve plan and start. Okay, let's see. Up until now, I was using Cursor, and I'm still using Cursor, but depending on how this goes, I always connected Replit to Cursor AI, to the composer mode. So depending on the results and how quickly Replit innovates, I might switch over to Replit, but right now, definitely not. I do use it in conjunction with... Alright, you can see all the different files are being created. It's in progress. Still thinking. It's building the initial prototype. Okay, here it tells you which files it's created. It created the main Python file here, and then it's installing Flask. It put together the templates, the HTML files, the CSS, JavaScript, the SVG images. It's already at 95 lines of code. Alright, I believe it's almost there. It configured the Start Flask app to run this landing. And now it's loading my page. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. So here you can see policy at the top, supercharge your learning, etc. It just used the same content that was on the Brilliant page. Yeah. Wow. It has the same features here. It has Stripe functionality built in, which is pretty awesome. Let's see if these... Yeah, so here I can enter my details, card details. I can select a country, enter zip code. Perfect. Use PayPal. Let's see if these... Yeah, I guess this functionality is already working here. One could also edit it. That's really cool. One could apply more styling. I would honestly work with, what is it called? Comfy UI or Tailwind UI or even v0.dev and bring in like a beautiful template and then bring it straight to Replit and have it create an app based on that template. I think that could be amazing. But yeah, here you have it. Here's the landing page. You know what it did not do? Here we do include clause for a 14-day trial, but it did not really specify what happens on day 1, on day 12. So let's see if we can edit it here. I like it a lot, but I want you to make my company title way more attractive and outstanding and colorful. Also, you should include the details about the trial more clearly in the description above the Stripe integration, where you state what happens on day 1, which is they get all the features. Day 12, they get an email reminder, telling them that their plan will start in 2 days, and then day 14, their plan will begin. These announcements need to be very clear and well understood by the target market. Okay, so we'll just keep iterating like this and send back and forth messages until we're essentially satisfied with the output that Replit provides. Okay, they're busy updating the checkout page. Here it just confirms the changes, making the company title more attractive, provide clearer information about the trial period. Alright, here's reloading the page. Oh, okay, we can already see here some changes have been made. You can see the company name appears twice, don't worry about that. At least it is definitely way more attractive than it was before. So that's an upvote in my opinion. And then we have here 14-day free trial. Perfect. Day 1, gain instant access. Yes. Day 12, receive firm name. Okay, yes. Day 14, perfect. So here it tells you exactly how the trial is going to work. So I think that's a great progress made just by, that one prompt. And then here we have, I would just, iterate and let it keep changing the title, making it more beautiful, etc. But as again, garbage in, garbage out, right? If you tell it just to create an attractive title, that's kind of an attractive title. I mean, you have to be very specific about the font and the color schemes and about the positioning and the sizing. And once you include all of these specific details, it's going to do a much better job at following your prompt.